Hi, this is Lebron Hirschkorn from ChooseTerm.com, and today I want to talk to you about commercials that you see for life insurance. And if you've recently been watching TV, you may have seen MetLife has commercials for $14 a month for life insurance. They have the same ads. If you Google life insurance rates, you may see on the right-hand side some ads for MetLife $14 a month life insurance. But if you watch those ads closely, then you'll see that in small print on their TV commercial, it says for a healthy 30-year-old woman for $250,000 of coverage. So yes, somebody who is 30 years old and getting a 10-year term policy, $250,000 at the best possible rates out there. They have no health conditions. They're super healthy. Yes, they can get insurance at $14 a month. But I believe that the commercial is misleading because it gets people to think, wow, I can get life insurance at $14 a month. Most people applying for insurance are not exactly 30 years old. They're not in perfect health per se, and they may not be looking for $250,000 in coverage. So what I want to do is talk to you a little bit about what do life insurance companies look for in terms of figuring out how to price you and how to get your rate. So basically, life insurance companies look for some specific things in terms of figuring out how to price you. They look at your age. They look at your current height and weight. There are several different categories that you might fit in based on your height and weight, which will result in your BMI index, body mass index. Life insurance companies look obviously whether you are a tobacco user or not a tobacco user. They also look at your family history. So perhaps you have a parent or siblings that's had cancer, heart disease, diabetes, stroke. Especially if that's under the age of 60, that might affect your health rating. Also, especially if it's a hereditary type of health condition, that also might affect your health rating. Obviously, they look at your health conditions, so they look at things like your blood pressure, your cholesterol. They look at, again, the height and weight and any health conditions that you have. Things like asthma, like diabetes, or more serious things can result, obviously, in a higher rating. So once insurance companies do a medical exam and they look at your medical history, they come back and they give you a health rating. That health rating basically could be anywhere from Preferred Plus, which is the best health rating, all the way to 14 different categories. The four major categories are Preferred Plus, for non-tobacco users at least, Preferred Plus, Preferred, Standard Plus, and Standard. Those are the four typical categories that people without pre-existing conditions get, who are non-smokers. Smokers can get Preferred tobacco or Standard tobacco. Below those ratings, if you have a pre-existing health condition, again, like diabetes, or you may have had cancer within the last 5 years, or heart disease, or you have some kind of condition, then you're going to get a substandard rating. Substandard ratings are ratings between 1 and 10, or sometimes they're called, they're letters, and those are ratings that increase the price of your coverage based on the pre-existing condition. So starting from 1 all the way up to 10, which would be the highest price, you can get those kind of ratings if you have a pre-existing condition. So the point of this video is to educate you on next time you see those kind of ads for $14 a month for life insurance, or $15 a month, or $10 a month for life insurance. Those are really targeted at a specific person that can get those rates. Again, usually someone young, very healthy, small dollar amount of coverage, and a small term amount of coverage, like a 10-year term, which is the shortest period of time, and a cheaper form of life insurance coverage. Most people don't necessarily look for a 10-year term. Some people look for a 20 or 30-year term, and some people look for permanent coverage. So you really want to speak with an experienced agent who can give you a quote that's more targeted for you at ChooseTerm.com. This is what we help our clients do. You can give us a call at 800-574-0245. My extension is 101, and I can help you figure out what a quote is actually going to be for you and actually give you a realistic number, as opposed to having you think that, you know, you can get a life insurance policy for $14 a month. Well, if you're 45, 50 years old, that's very unlikely to be the case. If you are a 30-year-old, perfect health condition, you're going to get a $250,000 policy, then yes, you can probably get that kind of pricing. But those ads to me are misleading, and at chooseterm.com, we don't provide those kind of misleading quotes. So we look forward to speaking with you. You can visit our website and fill out our quote form or call us to get a customized quote specifically for you. Thank you.